A normal day in southern Michigan, a part of Tornado Alley. The sky darkens, and everyone turns their lights off for the night's rest. Kids come in from their playgrounds, going into their houses, expecting nothing wrong will hit. People are buying some snacks for the midnight. People walk up to the cashier and buying their items. Cars are driving, getting their guests for the next day. Everyone didn't know that their cars might not be there the next day. People enter their houses, moving into their bedrooms. The next day starts to come to life. The moon goes down and the sun comes up. The moon goes down, people start to wake up. The moon is officially down and it is the morning. The sun rises up and it's now a beautiful day in western Michigan. A minute later. Tornado watch has been issued for western Michigan County. Take cover if any life-threatening weather approaches. As everyone hears the sirens blare, they all go into their interior rooms in case of any emergency. Tornado warning has been issued for western Michigan. Take cover immediately. As the sky starts to darken a little bit, a tornado has now touched down in western Michigan, whipping and churning a path of destruction through the area. People hide in horror and watch as their houses get destroyed and severely damaged. The roofs are ripped off homes, and severe damage is noticeable. Parts of the gas station and roofs are ripped off homes severely. As the houses start to crumble, the tornado starts to bear closer and suck up more debris like it ever has. Western Michigan has never had a tornado as bad as this. As it moves away, it starts to dissipate. The tornado has ended. Nighttime has occurred. The damage is unreal in western Michigan. Fires have been set off. The windows of the gas station are blown out and the insides are completely destroyed. Roofs were ripped off homes. Some homes were severely damaged like this one. Some interior rooms didn't survive, which didn't help people to survive this traumatic tornado. As windows were shattered, some homes only got minor damage, like windows shattered and some parts of the roof lifted off. But some homes got them homes away. That is part 1 of Western Michigan tornado.